Today we're going to be making guacamole. For that, we're going to need fresh avocados, fresh lime, jalapeno, red onion. I think these look better and taste better. Tomato, fresh cilantro, black pepper, and salt to taste. Alright, first we're going to cut the onion. We only need about half, so I'm going to put the rest aside. And we're going to dice it really fine. Now we'll add the jalapeno. We're not going to use the entire jalapeno. We're just going to use about half. But it will be relatively spicy. I'm going to leave the seeds in because it's spicier that way and I like it spicy. Now we're going to need the tomato. We're only going to use half. Transfer that in. Now for our star ingredient, the avocados. I'm going to cut them from pole to pole and just go around the avocado so I can separate it into two. Okay. Oh, that's a beautiful avocado. You want to save the pit. I like the guacamole to be chunky. So with a paring knife, I slice into the avocado this way. Now I'm just going to scoop this avocado into the bowl. Those look amazing. We're going to add the other avocado to it as well. So that's the second avocado. Now with the avocados in the bowl, we're just going to take our cilantro, wrap it up, and just dice it really finely, including the stem and everything. I'm going to throw most of the cilantro in the bowl and then leave a little bit to the side for decorations. Now we're going to just cut our lime. We're just going to squeeze it into the bowl. So now we're just going to give this a little bit of a toss to combine all the ingredients. Oh man, that looks amazing. Now we're going to add the salt. And a fresh helping cilantro on here. There you go. Our guacamole is done. If you're storing this in the refrigerator, you want to keep these pits stored with, and this will prevent it from browning.